Alright, I've recently had someone ask me about this remote on one of my other videos and wanted to know why whenever they touched it, it didn't light up, and whenever they pressed the volume up and down, nothing happened. Nothing happened when they channeled up and down. Well, the only thing that can make this do that is dead batteries. So if your remote's not doing anything, flip it over on the back, slide this little panel right here down, and inside of here are the batteries. Right there. You change those, and when you change them, you press the button, and the little light right here should light up on any button you press. This light should light up. It's all different colors. Some of them will be red, some of them will be green. See, I'm pressing it and it's green, but that light should come on now. All you got to do is change those batteries right there. And that's it, guys. That's how to fix a broken remote. If that don't help, you're gonna have to go get you a new remote. You can find these online. They're about $2, or you can call your provider to come bring you one and pay about $50 or $70 for a truck roll fee. But I'd recommend getting you one online, or go to your local office and get you one. All right, everybody, have a good day. Like and subscribe. Thank you.